Hello, this is Mystique. I'm back. This is to do a brief, just a showing. I found these ringtones on the Samsung Galaxy S3 to be very unique. No, it's the Nature UI, but I really like them actually. I thought they sounded great, and I've heard nothing like them. I'm sorry about the camera quality, folks. I'm still learning, so bear with me. They're nothing like let's get back, the ringtones or any other Android device that I've heard. So without further ado, let's just briefly go through it. Okay. This one is called Bird Song by the Lake. Okay. Blowing dandelion seeds. See, they all have some type of basis in nature. Bug story. But that makes you think of a bug's life, right? Busybody little ants. Desert sunrise. Some of them are very lovely. Oh, we gotta get our camera fixed because I just can't do this. Drifting downstream. Eagle's Call. I kind of like that one, It reminds me of the ICS Sorcery ROM. I love the ICS Sorcery ROM for the Samsung Galaxy Nexus. Oh, that was my favorite ROM. Fairy Fountain. Oh no, that's Play on the Water. I'm sorry. This is Fairy Fountain. Nice and delicate. This is High Life. I know it isn't Steve Winwood, but